Welcome to MFG.com, the best way to find a source for custom parts in the world today. MFG.com's approach for new supplier identification is different than how sourcing professionals have done it in the past. Our process ensures that the right supplier finds you rather than you spending time finding them. We simply describe your part to suppliers via a request for quote, otherwise RFQ process that allows capable suppliers that have capacity to provide a quote on your product through our site. Our platform then allows you to review the profiles and ratings of suppliers you are interested in doing business with. These ratings were given by other buyers like yourself that have worked with the supplier in the past. Our easy and efficient process allows you to locate the best supplier for your project while minimizing risk and ensuring a quality product. Let's walk through the required information to create your first RFQ. To get started, you will click the green tab here on the left side of your dashboard. This will take you to the simple RFQ form that we will complete together. First, select a part name for your part. We will call ours sample part. Second, you will click the green tab for the category of this part. Ours is a machining part, so we will select manufacturing industrial products, then find machining, and then select milling and turning. You will see that there is a brief description on the right side of this window to assist you with selecting a category. Then you will click OK to select the category. Also, you have the option to let MFG.com pick the best category for your part if you are not sure about the manufacturing process. Then you have the option to add a non-disclosure agreement to this RFQ for security. You will then come to File Attachments. Here, please upload all part-specific attachments, PDFs, CAD files, DWGs. It is important to note that this is what our suppliers will be reviewing in order to quote you accurately. So please provide as detailed information as you can. Then you can type in a brief description of the part. You will then select a material from the drop-down here. You can enter the quantity you are looking to get quoted here. Estimated annual usage is what your annual usage may be for this part. Quotes needed by is when the RFQ will close online. Suppliers must submit their quote by this date. You can change the date by clicking in the window for the calendar and then selecting a date. Your intentions for this RFQ is what you're trying to accomplish. Your relationship to this RFQ is also the same. You have some drop-down options that you can select from. Distribution is set for you. It is where you want this request for quote distributed. You either have the option of going out globally or staying domestic. You also have the option to invite an out-of-network supplier if you choose. Award date is when you intend to award the RFQ if you find a qualified supplier. Parts needed by is when you would like delivery of the parts in-house. You can select in the window to select a date from the calendar. Shipping is defaulted to supplier, but feel free to select buyer if you choose to. Then you will click Submit to submit the RFQ. Once you click Submit, you will be brought to a second page where you will be notified that your RFQ has successfully been submitted for review by MFG.com. Here you have some more optional questions that you may answer. Once you have completed submitting the request for quote, please come to the bottom of this page and click Complete My Profile. This will take you to a short profile where you will provide a little bit of history about your company and what you are trying to accomplish. Thank you.